Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to my podcast Sangrila with Hila Anand Acharya. So thank you so much for listening to my episodes of the season 3 podcast Sangrila with Hila Anand Acharya, and in this season I have discussed about the processes given in the book Ask and It Is Given by Esther and Jerry Hicks. So today I'm at process number 19, and it is known as releasing resistance to become free of debt. Yes, a most important topic or most important process I can say, because it is helping us to become prosperous as well as free of debt. So over here, let's start with the process how we can do this. So we have to have a columnar writing pad, that is which we usually have when we write at the start of the month. When we decide what is our budget for this particular month, we have this column wise we write how much is the expenditure and how much we are gaining or earning, how much we are saving in this month. So on the very left hand side of that column, we have to write the heading of the expense which we are going to have the largest for that particular month. For example, for every month we have this home rent or home loan. So mostly that is the biggest amount which we give away. So on the left hand side we have to write the heading at house payment or home loan or house rent, and below that you write the amount which you actually pay. For example, it can be 25,000, 30,000, 50,000, whatever amount you are paying as your home payment or house loan or home rent. Then on the third line, that is on the column wise, you have to write heading is the house payment. Second line you have to write what is the actual amount for that particular month, and below you have to write the total debt for that particular house payment category. Okay. Now on the second column you have to enter the second largest payment, and in the third column the third I can see in the descending order. First left hand side is the maximum amount, then on the second column you can write about your car loan if you are having, and that is the second largest you can have. Then the third you can have the school fees or the daily groceries and so on. So till on the right hand side you have to write the lowest amount of expense which you are doing on monthly basis. So for example, we can say that for saloon and all that. And across the top of our columnar pad we have to write this following affirmation, that it is my desire to keep my promise regarding all of these financial obligations, and in some cases I will even do twice as much as is required. So basically this affirmation is saying that I am capable of earning enough money such that I can at least pay all these amount which has been mentioned in the particular columns. That is, every month I am earning a sufficient amount of money so that I am able to repay all these loans and everything which is written in my monthly expenditure. And also sometimes it is possible that I have some extra money that I can sometimes even pay twice as much required. Okay, so here we can start that whenever we are receiving the bill or we can say that whatever we know that we have this notice which is coming every month that this month you have to pay this much amount. So whenever we are getting that bill, then on the far right hand side column you have which is the smallest payment you have to pay each month. We have to try to adjust that exactly whatever is been written in that, or sometimes we have to write twice the amount which has been written. For example, on my right hand side column I have written that is the expenditure I do in my for my personal grooming, that is saloon, like hair cutting or going to beauty parlor or something like that. So that is my minimum expenditure I do every month, that is almost kind of not more than 200 rupees. So I will write there that I am able to manage 400 rupees on that right hand side column. So there, when I'm writing that amount, instead of 200 rupees I'm writing that 400 rupees which I can spare, which I can spend on my personal grooming there. So that little change is the shift which I will able to feel in my vibrational level. So this may seem a little strange to you when we first begin this exercise, but when we start this, every time noting down the exact amount of in that particular column, and sometimes twice, where we can spend twice, then that change, that doubling the payment in the far right hand side column, we'll feel glad that yes, we have kept our promise of paying all the bills, as well as we are able to sometimes give twice the amount which we have declared. So because of this process, we can, in very few near future or few days, we can expect some unusual financial advances in our life. That is when we'll be consciously aware that these things are happening in response to our newly focused attention and the resultant shift in our vibration. That is, the extra money will start appearing in front of us from somewhere where we have long back invested, and it has come to us. Some our friend might give us the money back which he has rented from us. So similar things will start appearing in our life, and slowly when we keep on using this procedure of giving less resistance, or releasing the resistance towards the money. So slowly all the column wise, from right hand side to left hand side, we will be able to pay all the money, and we slowly will be debt free. See, if you are not feeling bad in the debt condition, then it is completely fine. But it is usually when we are having some loan, we feel some it is like we are burdened, there is some burden on ourselves. So we feel that feeling is not freedom, it is not our free, we cannot express ourselves money wise in a free manner. So that's why this is important, to make sure that we become very debt free very soon. So instead of having the action to get the abundance, the vibration will give us much of the abundance. It is not important that we should do some action to get money. Yeah, if we believe that we will get only money if we do certain kind of action, then that will be true for you, because that is your belief, that if only if you work, then and then only you will get money. But it is not like that. It is never necessary to work hard. We can work smart, and then also we can have this money, because money is nothing but the byproduct of the joy and the happy feeling we are having in our in our environment, in our vibration. So we have to replace the word earn with allowing. So if we are able to allow the universe to give us all these certain different kind of situations and circumstances in which we can allow the money to flow into our life, then we are going to be debt free very soon. So I hope you have understood this process, but if you still have any doubt, please you can contact me, message me, and I will be very happy to help you.